Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Be thankful for your ears, because I will try not to curse in this video, so it doesn't get an age rating. Anyway, let's hop in. Today we're going to be playing Indigo Park, because I've seen people playing that, and I need to catch up on my games, so, yeah. We're going to be playing Indigo Park, and then this is basically to warm up for like other games like Indigo Park 2 and stuff. Anyway, yeah, we're playing Indigo Park today, whether you like it or not. And this time, comments are going to be turned on, hopefully. I hope you guys like Indigo Park. I hope you guys like Indigo Park. New game. I've never played this game in my life. I've only seen people like using the game.
For all who journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome you. Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own. In this place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow. Indigo Park pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering truths that gave rise to our great nation. Here you embark on the journey of a lifetime, a place of creativity, joy, and fantasy, where your dreams come true.
This may or may not be a multiple part video. You can pause the video to read this, because I will not read anything about rules or heated. Robo, get popcorn, get snacks. Prepare for the video. Next time we're skipping stuff like that. Birds of a feather. I believe I remember how to play this, but I don't know. Played most of my other games before. Anyway, so I saw some YouTubers doing Mecha Chameleon, so we'll be doing that. Pretty sure you go over here, right?
Hi there, and welcome to Indigo Park!
Gosh.
The world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience! Jump into the world of your favorite character.
You guys are ready to play this game?
2,920 days, 4 hours,
2,000!
23 minutes, and 38 seconds. Congratulations! I'm Rambly the Raccoon.
Rambly, how long
and
is
it's my
it
job
been?
to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over
Dear
to the registration
God.
center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
This door? Okay, well, I know there's an object. First of all,
Hi, I'm Rambly the Raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you. Don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park, or did you just get plastic surgery? No worries, it's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
next time we're doing a stream on a game, bro. I just want a critter cove. Just so you know, if my voice stays like this the entire video, well, that's because this is just my voice, and I'm trying to make it seem more interesting for the video.
What's the hold up? The gate is open. Head on into the entryway.
It's not open.
Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open. There seems to be an error message being
Why did I
sent
say
from the
good boy?
gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini rambly venture. Have fun!
Is Rambly a boy or a girl?
The indigo violet compact power generator. But it seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
I love the servo. Give me that. I don't think it's in this room. Anyway, I'm gonna get that golden rambly flush. Ew. Excuse me. Anyway, I really hope this opens up that gate. The gate still isn't open.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park.
Hey, I wanna go into critical.
Oh, silly Rambly. Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff. I think there's some in the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up. There you go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park that also doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring. Data disclosure agreement included.
Why is it floating off my arm? Oh. I want my flashlight back. Thank you.
Uh-oh, the door mysteriously locked. Why not test out your band and save the day?
Nah, I think I'll continue searching around for stuff I can steal. I want to steal that one. Really, I could have tested this later.
Hooray! Great work, buddy. Now try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure.
I'm going through this door. Did I just scan it twice? We're gonna need to be doing that a lot. You ain't Walt Disney, buddy. Oh, heck no. We going this way. Rambly. 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 Rambly, where are you? I think I'd rather be in the park than go out where that would follow that whistle. Rambly. Where are you? Oh. Okay, so I must be. We ain't going, you know. Actually, hold up. You know, all YouTubers try going in here. Let's see if it's possible. Ooh. Hey, I knew there was gonna be something in there. I didn't. I just wanted to see what's in the bathroom. There isn't even a difference between the bathrooms.
Pardon our dust, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some
A dust?
renovations.
I don't
For
think
the
that's dust.
inconvenience, your Rambly Tuesday discount will be 3% off. Why not celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad? To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
I feel like they're. I know there's sheik. Stop watching me!
Your facial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this ride, but it's one of my favorites. Do you know why Rambly the raccoon loves Rambly's Railroad? Because I like trains.
Because I like trains. I'm about to turn around and see a bird. I don't want to see the bird.
Welcome to Rambly's Railroad. I'm Conductor Rambly. Oh look, it's Molly McCaw.
It's Molly McCaw, the greatest pilot you ever saw.
You sure are, Moll. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
I'm not crashing, Rambly. I'm barnstorming.
What's barnstorming?
It's crashing with style. It barely hurts at all. Say, those young adventurers you got along with you look like great pilots. Why not try your hand at flying in my ride? Rooftop races.
Oh, I'd actually love that. Hey, why can't we go on a ride? Is it crumbled to dust like that?
Oh, Finley, come on out and greet the people.
Hi, Rambly.
Why the long face and body?
You've known me for 100 years, Rambly. I'm always long because I'm always longing for a new seashell for my collection.
Oh, Finley, you should come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead? My ride, Oceanic Odyssey, will teach you all about the wonders down under the deep blue sea. It's as blue as me. I hope you'll visit. I'm so lonely.
Oceanic Odyssey currently closed for repairs.
I don't think I like this. Everyone were... wish I'd seen this. Where is this? I swear to God, if I come over here and I walked right past it. I walked right past it. Holy, that was scary. And I know there's chase scenes in this game.
Hey there, Lloyd.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious, the professional Lloydford L. Lyon, actor extraordinaire.
Great act, Lloyd.
Of course it was. I'm the real...
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right? Now you know all about my friends and Lloyd. So, where do you want to go?
think I want to go to that water adventure thing. I sure as hell don't want to go to Lloyd because I know what he's gonna do to me. I mean, I don't know. Do we want to see Lloyd? Lloyd the lion. Rambly. Yeah, I kind of agree with Rambly, but... Why is that thing glowing? Can I pick it up? Can I pick it up? Can I pick it up? I don't think I want to go into that water.
Hey, buddy, come over here. This here is an information kiosk. If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
Okay, well, I think I found Rambly.
Wow, is that a limited edition gold Rambly plush? Parents were fighting tooth and nail for those things when they came out. Seriously, our employees had to clean up so many stray teeth and nails. Hard to believe there was all that demand for a regular Rambly plush we just blasted with gold spray paint.
I mean, you just blasted that thing with gold spray paint. Gee, you. Ooh, Jetstream Junction.
Well, look at that! You're at Jetstream Junction! Oops, looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up. Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in.
I don't want to go to Lloyd anymore. Lloyd's I don't want my video to get lowered down to only fucking older. Oh god darn it, I just said the F word. It's gonna be... Well, Lloyd's a bitch from what Rambly told me. Guess if it's already gonna be for adults, then I guess we can already say Lloyd's a bitch. Actually, you know what? Lloyd's a cute little pup. Aw man, the lion! The lion was kinda cute. Wait, Rambly. Rambly, I want Rambly.
Hey, buddy, I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful. Your critter cuff is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Resuscitate? Why would my credit card need to do that? Hi, Lloyd. I don't want to be back here anymore. Well, I guess we're pretty tiny. Yeah, fuck this. Was my light supposed to break? Okay, it's fixed. I guess we had just turned it off. Apparently the S key is stronger than the W key. Because I'm holding down both right now. Huh. Maybe, where's Rambly?
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
They have a dog friend? How many friends do they have? I bet you most of them are just limited edition Ramblies.
Oh no, this is horrible. Looks like Molly crashed into the right again. Don't worry though, your pal Rambly has the repairman on speed dial.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. Please check the number and dial again.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
I know the bird's gonna be in here. Watch. Alright, I'm gonna look around before I even move. Oh, wait, hold up. Pop it. Into the pit. Wait, no, we don't want to go into the pit, bro. If this is actually FNAF. But we don't want to go into the pit. I have a feeling. I got this feeling like somebody's in the air. Star. Oh, hexstones. Yo, I think she was eating pizza earlier. Yellow circle. Yellow circle. Green triangle. Yellow circle, green triangle, blue star. I know what happens. We go up here and Molly starts chasing us, right? I'm scared. Fuck, bro. Fuck. I'm scared. I ain't just scared. I'm horrified.
Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Here we have plenty of amenities and... okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy.
Am I even recording? Okay, yes I am, and I've been recording for a good 20 minutes.
Stop showing up. Guests too. The mascots are... I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into. Wasting all of your fun time. Sorry for the inconvenience. But, I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park? I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business. Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers, registered, room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler, registered, security room to set yourself free. Phew, kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel. But Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is a registered trademark. That expired.
Don't forget that shit. You.
Uh-oh, that Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it. But for now, don't.
I think I want to enter that room. Because why wouldn't I? We're looking at the cameras just in case. We're gonna put those in color later. Ooh, I know I saw an interactive here. that might just be the dust on my screen. Oh, hold up. I'm gonna come over to this information.
I don't get why we even have those. And why do they only make one of Lloyd? Is it because he's the loudest? I can be loud too! Where's my limited edition throwback plush? Where's Molly's? Where's Finley's? Give this mistake to a child and they'll cry. Hey buddy, did you dig that out of the lost and found? Or was it in the trash? No surprise, I guess that our park would dispose of a non-indigo brand toy. I suppose he'd make playtime special for a child with poor taste, though.
Somebody slow down this video to see what that
I got this. I know the commercial by heart.
Wow, it's the unlimited edition Rambly the Raccoon Raction figure. Push him down and he jumps. Push him up and he doesn't. Only $19.99 at your favorite toy store.
You found my buddy Finley. You know, he's really shy. Like, too shy. Like, obnoxiously shy. But he's got a good heart. I hope you get to meet him someday.
Just so you know, this is gonna be uncut.
Congratulations! You found me! Don't I look adorable?
You do. Why'd he stop before he could finish adorable?
You made it to Oceanic Odyssey! You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler! You'll find a potpourri of porpoises, pickles, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. You never really know what lies beneath the surface.
He was so cute. A cute giant
buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambly review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Let's try it. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no? Were you satisfied with your guide? I sure hope so. Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust? At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going. Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view an valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return. I'm so happy you rode a ride. I'm so happy to be your guide. So come back anytime, I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do. At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee at Indigo Park. More than my remarks are mysteries, even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please?
Alright, now that game was actually peak. Hope to see you again next time. I've already said all this, haven't I? But hope to see you again next time. Yeah. We, maybe next video we'll check out the videos on their channel. But, anyway, you're welcome, game. Dang it. I might have to start working on my own game. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys loved the video. And I'll see ya then.